So you love sewing or making your own clothes, or you even love to make and sell clothes. But in this video, I'm going to talk about 12 reasons why you should sew and make yoga clothes, but in the chakra colors. And the chakra colors and how they're going to benefit you. So let's get started. So in this video, we're talking about sewing and designing and making your own yoga attire. I'll leave the link down below. I have an entire collection of patterns which you can make up for yourself, have it made for you, or you can make and sell it as a business. Hi, my name is Tania Sutherland. If you love this kind of content, Tuesday is about patterns and sewing. Fridays is more about the self-mastery, the self-discovery journey. If you love that, then please don't forget to press the like button and the subscribe button down below. And of course, as well as leave any comments down below, I would love to engage with you. Even in neuroscience, we talk about how color can affect our brain. It can influence your mood, your decisions, your judgment, because colors activate the hypothalamus, and each color focuses on either sympathetic nervous system, which is your flight and fear, your parasympathetic nervous system, which is more where you are more relaxed, calm, feeling safe. So through the nervous system, this evokes specific psychological responses in the body. And don't forget, the hypothalamus is all about releasing the hormones and regulating emotional responses. So don't ever underestimate the power of color and how it affects your whole psychology. 7 would be connection to your body, because the chakra colors are associated with different parts of the body. So you are making and sewing your yoga outfits in these colors, so you're becoming more consciously connected to those certain chakras in the body, working on them, healing, balancing, aligning those chakras. The next one would be you enhancing your yoga practice. You're focusing on energy centers in your body, enhancing your practice, promoting the balance and the harmony of the entire mind, body, and soul when you are doing your yoga practice. Personal expression. So you are creating unique pieces, bringing out your personal style, that energy that's coming through in what you're making. And of course, you are definitely building your self-confidence as well as competence, learning new skills, and it definitely elevates your self-image and your self-esteem. The next one, of course, you're creating sustainable fashion, because you're avoiding this whole negative effects of fast fashion. You are making colors and styles, knowing that you can wear it for many seasons, and you're wearing those colors for specific reasons to focus on when you're doing your practice. Cost effective. You can make your yoga clothing in the colors according to your budget and not put yourself in debt paying for these very high fashion prices, high fashion brand prices. The whole idea of sewing and being creative, it's definitely a mindful activity. You're putting yourself in a mindful state, almost like a meditative mindful state. Through this activity, you're promoting relaxation, you're feeling calm, you're feeling absolutely amazing because you're being creative, as well as you are definitely reducing any stress levels. Isn't that just amazing? I'll leave the link down below of the video that explains what chakras mean and what the 7 colors of the chakras represent. Then, of course, the mind-body connection. When you're wearing that certain colors, you're creating specifically on those chakra colors, you are subconsciously and emotionally and mentally connecting with your thoughts, healing certain parts of the body. Let's say you're struggling with self-love and you've been kind of harsh on yourself. So now you're working on your heart chakra, you're wearing something green, and subconsciously you're sending out beautiful self-love affirmations. And when you are doing your yoga practice, you are working on poses that is opening up the heart to help you to love yourself, to be more caring for yourself, to be more compassionate. There's definitely a mind-body connection by the colors you're making specifically for those target areas you're targeting in your chakras. Personalization and being individual in your style, because you are sewing and wearing the colors and designs that you want to wear according to perhaps certain specific chakras. definitely entire energy flow. You're going to feel totally relaxed and calm, or maybe just a bit more sort of energy with the colors that you are wearing, the specific colors that you are wearing. As you know, the chakra colors are corresponded to different centers of the body. The yoga colors to help promote that absolute balance and that flow of energy. The next one is to absolutely enhance your meditation, because you are focusing on the corresponding chakras to help you to align and balance and heal certain areas of the body or muscles or emotions that you are struggling with, by wearing colors that represent those areas, as well as designs that makes you feel absolutely relaxed and stepping within yourself, becoming more self-aware, more self-connected, because that is definitely what yoga does for you. And of course, the symbolic meaning of the different colors. As you know, the 7 chakras, all the 7 colors have specific symbolic meanings. The root chakra represents the red, the sacral chakra represents the orange, your solar plexus is yellow, heart chakra is green, communication is the throat chakra, which is blue, a turquoise or light blue. Then of course your third eye is indigo or royal blue, or your crown chakra, that spiritual awakening, is white or violet. And violet has got the highest vibration frequency in all the 7 colors of the chakra, the 7 colors of the rainbow. And most important, it's inspiration. It's inspiring you to be creative. It's inspiring you to explore different colors, prints, combinations, just like what I have on here. This is one of my patterns. I'll leave the link down below. Meditation caftan. You can see there's a black combination, some gold. We've got the lighter yellow, which is all stretch fabric, but at the bottom I've got something that's in satin. And when I feel it, I feel luxurious. I feel calm. I feel connected with myself, going quite easily into my meditation states. So think about it, your creativity, your inspiration, connecting with your body, mind, and soul with your yoga practice. Isn't that creating a better aligned life for yourself? Putting you on a better path, that you're connecting with who you are, following the path that you want to take on. Healing the mind, body, and soul, and with your creativity. And then, of course, the last one would be is, with all these skills, knowledge, and experience that you've got, you can even turn this into a business. You can make a collection, make a small collection of all the 7 colors and put it out there on Instagram, social media, that you are selling by order. So you don't have to lay out thousands of rands or dollars to create a collection and then be stuck with it. Rather just sell by order with the specific colors and with certain sizes, and generate an income out of your creativity, and of course sharing and inspiring others to follow and to take on the yoga practice. Until the next video, ciao for now.